Every time you tag your friend's face in a picture on Facebook, Facebook gradually learns his unique facial features, such as the difference between the eyes, nose, and ears. One day you will upload a new photo of Isam. Facebook will identify him and will ask you, do you want to tag Isam? Facebook learned how Isam looks like from your previous photo tags and is now smart enough to recognize him. This is what we call machine learning, which is one of the most common and powerful techniques of artificial intelligence. We teach the machine how to think as the human brain does. In my thesis, I've created a fault book that identifies faults of starter motors and alternators before they get installed in the car. By uploading thousands of different motor samples to this fault book and tagging each sample with its corresponding health status. This has made the diagnosis smarter, faster, and more accurate. However, this software can be also implemented on medical diagnostics and come up with a virus book, DNA book, or even a cancer book.